Imagine having your very own AI agent, an intelligent partner that works tirelessly to solve problems, automate tasks, and even help grow your business. Sounds exciting, right? But how can you build your own AI agent? Let's dive in. AI agents are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. But first, what exactly is an AI agent? Unlike traditional apps that require constant user input, AI agents work autonomously. They can perceive, process, and act on information, essentially doing the hard work for you. Think of an AI app as a tool and an AI agent as your assistant. For instance, while an AI app might edit your photo with a click, an AI agent could organize your entire photo library based on themes, dates, and even your mood. From customer support bots to content creators, today's AI agents can perform a variety of tasks. Let's take a closer look. Virtual assistants like Siri keep you organized. AI marketing tools can send personalized emails. And some agents even generate content for blogs or ads. But here's where it gets exciting. Future AI agents could automate entire workflows, recommend financial strategies, or even act as personal tutors. Now, how do you build one? A beginner-friendly platform like LangChain is the perfect place to start. Step 1. Define your agent's purpose. Will it manage emails, assist customers, or track affiliate campaigns? Step 2. Set up your environment. With tools like Google Colab, you can code without spending a dime. Step 3. Test and refine. Start small, then build complexity as your agent evolves. LangChain makes the process simple with templates and tutorials. And trust me, you don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. Here's the big question. How do you make money with your AI agent? Subscription models charge users a monthly fee for services. API access. Let developers use your agent for a price. Custom solutions. Tailor AI agents to industries like real estate or healthcare. For example, you could create an AI email marketing agent that drafts campaigns, schedules them, and analyzes performance for small businesses. From automating homes to becoming digital co-pilots for professionals, the potential of AI agents is limitless. By starting now, you can be at the forefront of this AI revolution. So, how can you build your own AI agent? It's simpler than ever and full of potential. Whether you're looking to innovate or monetize, the tools are at your fingertips. Take the leap today, your future AI agent awaits.
Hi, this is Dave Hashley. I hope you got some ideas from this video as to how you could use AI. If you did, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.